Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Land channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that we can be able to maintain and sustain this channel. And of course, you can be a part of this growing family. We are now officially 7,574 subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Okay, so ang pag-usapan po natin today, biglang ang transition, no? English to Filipino or Tagalog. Anyhow, pag-usapan po natin ngayon ay yung ibinunyag ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada, no, tungkol sa isang pharma company. Pero I understand, no, inano rin natin to, tinakal din natin itong um, issue na ito, pero si JV Ejercito naman ang nagsabi niyan. So anyhow, magkapatid naman yan, magkapatid sa ama, si Jinggoy Estrada at saka si JV Ejercito. No? So may binunyag kasi no ang parang ano ba, parang networking company yung Belkens Pharma sa mga doktor. Yan. Alleged lang to ha, hindi naman to ano, binabalita lang natin kung ano yung sinabi ni Senador Jinggoy Estrada, no? So parang ang sabi niya ay tiba-tiba sa reseta. No? Ito yung ibinunyag ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada tungkol sa Belkens Pharma's multi-level marketing or networking scheme with doctors. Okay? So ang sabi niya ay talagang na itong mga doctors natin no, mga butihing doktor ay talagang sa buwatan or nakikipagtrabaho tungkol sa pharma na Belkens Pharma Incorporated, no? Allegedly earn as much as $2 million per month, no? Ay grabe naman ito kung totoo ito ha. Baka naman kasi wala ring katotohanan ito, no, from prescribing medicines manufactured by the firm even if their patients do not need it. No? So yon. So doctors working in cahoots with Kens Pharma allegedly earn as $2 million per month. Pag ikaw ay doktor at ikaw ay connected ka sa Belkens Pharma, ay talaga namang ano no 2 million pesos ang ang kinikita mo per month. Ay di mas malaki pa do sa kinikita siguro nila. Kahit na hindi kailangan ng mga pasyente nila, ay talagang prescribe nila dahil nga parang under contract kumbaga hindi naman under contract pero syempre alam nila yung interest ng pharma na yon allegedly, no? Eto si Ingo Estrada ay nag-privilege speech. Guys, may immunity kasi itong mga senator na ito, no? So pag sila nag-privilege speech no dun sa bulwagan ng Senado o kahit anong sabihin nila doon sa bulwagan ng Senado, kahit na nakakasira pa ito sa mga tao ay sasabihin nila. Okay? Ayun. So, ayun 'no, so itong ano, nung privilege speech niya kahapon, si Estrada gave the lowdown on the supposed multi-level marketing scheme involving the Filipino-owned pharmaceutical firm and several doctors. Eh, si Jingo Estrada naman ay isang veterano senador. Okay. So, in-expect naman natin na pinag-aralan niya itong lahat, no? So, ito yung business model na daw na ito has terms inspired by Star Wars, which is reportedly a favorite of top bill kids pharma executives. The Jedis are doctors who belong to the core group, while below them are the Padawans, which in Star Wars parlance refer to the apprentice of the Jedi. Talagang itong executive ng pharma firm na ito ay talaga namang baka Star Wars kumbaga, no. So hindi lahat ng doktor ay nagiging parte nito, no. Yung ito lang yung mga Jedi na doctors ay pag ni-recommend ka um yun 'no, pag ni-recommend ka ay talaga namang mapupunta ka sa kanila but and all other Jedis will be accepted. So if there's one Jedi who disapproves 'no, yeah, o parang ano may mutation pa pala 'no. Kung merong isang Jedi na nag-disapproves ng particular doctor for whatever reason, that doctor cannot be a Jedi. So dapat ano ka dito, congeniality ka pala dito 'no. So they do this approval process via the Jedi Viber group. The reason why a Jedi recommends a doctor is mostly based on a friendship, practice, and influence. So parang ano sila, no? Parang an organization, mafia kumbaga. No? So Jedi who reach the sales quota set by company are reportedly entitled the following perks. 8% of rebates based on monthly productivity. Also around 2 million pesos yun, no? Milestone point with 1 point equivalent to 100 pesos. A point is earned from a minimum of 2,700 pesos. Ano to? Parang advantage card worth of prescribed brand sales. They can be used for redeeming items such as household appliances, luxury goods, and overseas trips. Dito nanggagaling yung funds sila. No? So yearly performance bonus, dividend, and growth of sales, annual Jedi Star Tour with the donation located in Asia, the United States, and Europe. Ano to? Parang ano talaga? Parang insurance company na rin, no? Or parang ano, natandaan nyo yung forever living dati, di ba? Parang ganon. In addition to having connections prescribing medicines, Strada said doctors who wish to be a Jedi must invest between 250,000 and 500,000 pesos. Ayun, no? Baka doon kumikita sila doon. So the Jedis also earn from the prescription of the downline doctors they recruit. So parang it's like a marketing firm talaga, no? Marketing or yung parang networking company. If the downline doctor is not an investor, the recruiting doctor earns 6% rebate from every prescription of company products made by the downline doctor. But that ones, meanwhile, don't have doctors below them, but they could receive dividends, rebates, and milestone points in exchange for prescribing drugs. Napaka ano na. He identified Luis Ray Montigo as the firm's president, Alina Fatima Hulihila as the vice president, Joseph Vincent Go as the corporate secretary, and Jaime F. Cayetano Jr. Kaano-ano kaya ito ni Alan Peter Cayetano? No, as the treasurer, Belkens Pharma allegedly counts 58 doctors as stockholders. So parang ano to, parang Estrada said Belkens allegedly taps doctors or as sales representatives even if it's against their code of ethics. So hindi puwedeng mag-ano, hindi puwedeng sales rep ang mga doctors, dahil madami silang ma-recruit. Natural lamang na mabilis na yung paglago ng kumpanya mula sa 1 bilyon na benta noong 2016, tumaas pa ito at umabot 3.2 billion pesos noong 2018 at 5 billion noong 2019. So yun talaga ang sekreto. Okay, yun talaga ang sekreto 'pag ika'y nasa networking company kailangan may mga downline, no? May upline din, no? So talagang ano yun tatakbo. Ay naku, legal ba 'to o illegal, no? Ating ano 'yan, no? Ating pagmasdan ang ating obserbahan 'yang pagdating sa ganyan. Okay, sige hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka naman sa ating channel, #WalkWithLand. Maraming maraming salamat po. God bless you all po.